Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you Socketkit. Socketkit is a subscription management and event tracking platform that cares about privacy and security. So here's a small description about our product. You can have multiple reports and have actionable insights about your data. As you can see, you can go to guides and tips and then go to how to integrate App Store Connect with Socketkit. And there's a step-by-step guide in order to get access to your access token. You should go into your App Store Connect account, then click on Trends, Sales and Trends. Then you should click on Sales and Trends Reports from the bottom left sidebar. And then you should click to this question icon in here, and then you should say Generate Reported Token, which gives you a generated token so you can use it on Socketkit. So what we can do is we can just go into sign in. Because I already have an account on Socketkit, I'm just going to go and sign in. So as you can see, it immediately got we immediately get access to the dashboard. We can access our subscriptions, trials, sales and refunds in the past 30 days. What we can do is we can just change that to 90 days and immediately we have all of our information down here. So you can see my subscriber counts, you can see my sales and refunds, you can see my churn rate and conversion rate according to the countries that my customers are coming from. So what you can do is you can access more information about your application, including annual recurring revenue, monthly revenue, recurring revenue, active subscription, active trials. You can access your application information, including screenshots and descriptions, so you can easily know if you made any mistake, and so on and so forth. Additionally, you can see your packages because of our integration with App Store Connect. You can see your customers who are accessing your product and buying it. So here's a list of your sales and proceeds and each day. So you can do the same thing for transactions. Transactions include renewals, refunds and trials. And if that's a trial, again, you won't see any proceed. If it's a renewal, you will see a positive value. If it's a refund, then you will see a negative value. So additionally, you can just go into the countries and you will have a much more broader list of your country's status. What you can do is you can just go to your reports tab. You can access your MRR. You can click on different reports. You can change their types. You can change their intervals and so on and so forth. You can go to subscribers and see your subscriber graph. You can go into subscriptions and you can see your active subscriptions throughout the day. So here's again a list of your customers, which you can change it to transactions and access it anywhere. So thank you for listening. I hope you liked Socketkit.